Heavy rainfall continues to batter the regions of Emilia Romagna and Tuscany, causing widespread flooding, river overflows, and significant disruptions. In Sesto Fiorentino, a town in the province of Florence, the torrential rain has led to the overflow of the Rimaggio stream, flooding Piazza del Mercato and nearby streets. The situation is worsening as floodwaters spread to other parts of the city, prompting urgent warnings from local authorities. The municipal government has advised residents to stay indoors, avoid driving, and if possible, move to higher floors for safety. Emergency services are working tirelessly to manage the crisis, but the risk of further flooding remains high.
Rimaggio il torrente, ora è diventato enorme, io ho paura.
Tuscany has been hit particularly hard, with the Mugello area recording up to 110 millimeters of rain in less than 12 hours and over 80 millimeters in Prato. This intense rainfall has caused rivers to swell rapidly, including the Arno and its tributaries. In some areas, riverbanks have collapsed, leading to flash floods. In Florence,
ragazzi, qualcuno mi sa che mi deve ospitare a casa, in qualche modo.
in response to the escalating crisis, the Tuscan regional government has issued a red weather alert for the provinces of Florence, Prato, Pistoia, Pisa and Lucca. The relentless downpours and powerful storms have overwhelmed urban drainage systems, causing severe damage to infrastructure and significant hardship for the population.
Lo so, te dove sei?
Emergency teams, including firefighters and civil protection volunteers, are actively engaged in rescue operations, striving to contain floodwaters and assist affected individuals. The situation remains critical, and further rainfall could exacerbate existing challenges. Residents are encouraged to stay informed and adhere to safety instructions to minimize risks.
L'acqua è profonda, vedi, sta travolgendo le macchine. Troppo profondo per passare.